So the second case is that of gynec oncology. We were dealing with a patient who had endometrial hyperplasia, or what we call thickening of the uterine lining, along with a huge mass in her ovary. So what we planned for her was surgery with something called as frozen section. How frozen section helps us is that we start the surgery, we take out the mass, we send it for microbiological examination during the surgery, and while the patient was under anesthesia, we got the report that it is a cancerous mass. So we could do the entire staging plus the treatment of the cancer in the same sitting, in the same anesthetic requirement. And the result of that was that the entire procedure was done laparoscopically. So even though it was a rather extensive surgery for cancer, the patient has recovered beautifully, and she was already walking the same day in the evening and will be discharged soon enough in 36 hours.
પહેલાં મારા દેરાણીનું ઓપરેશન અહીંયા જ થયું હતું. પછી એમણે અમને કહ્યું એટલે અમે આ હોસ્પિટલમાં આવ્યા. પહેલાં હોસ્પિટલ આવ્યા ત્યારે સરે અમને બધું સમજાવ્યું, એ પ્રમાણે ઓપરેશન કર્યું ને હવે મને બિલકુલ સારું છે.